Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to withdraw from Phantom Wallet to bank. Firstly, to do so you need to send your money or your crypto from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Log into your Binance, navigate to deposit and select Sol as the cryptocurrency and ensure you choose the correct network. Copy the deposit address provided. Open the Phantom Wallet, click Send, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Sol you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. After your Sol arrives in Binance, navigate to the Trade section. Sell your Sol by trading it for fiat currency like USD, Euro, or your preferred currency. And all you have to do is withdraw the money from Binance to your bank account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.